is from Shakthi International School. Here in this video, I'm going to share some interesting tools and its function from TuxPaint. TuxPaint is basically a paint software which is used by the kids who is having the age group of 7, 8 and kindergarten students can use the TuxPaint very effectively. I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to show few tools how we can utilize the TuxPaint very effectively. I'm going to show you now. Here many tools are available in the TuxPaint. I can say the name of the TuxPaint for just for introduction purpose. It's a paint tool which we can use for painting purpose, and stamp tool. This is line tool, shape tool, and text tool, which is usually using for our name or something. Magic tool, eraser, new, open. These are the basic tools which is available in the TuxPaint. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the particular functions, how the tools are working here. I'm going to share some information about the stamp tool. See here, when we are clicking the stamp tool, here we can have lot of stamps over here in this right side. This is called pictures, right? Instead of calling pictures, we are calling this as a stamps, okay? And here we are having some interesting functions over here. I'm taking some of the parrot. Here I'm taking the picture of the parrot and I'm going to make this as a in this work area. Everyone can see this parrot. Now, what is the specialty in this tool here? I can have an option here to enlarge or shrink the images. Now see it's in the medium size. I'm making this into 1 step, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's a very big one we can see here. Now can you see the parrot? It's enlarged. It's an expanded form of the image. Now you want a very small, like a baby, and we can go with a shrunk image. See, it's a shrunk image. So these kind of expanding and shrinking the images available in the TuxPaint, especially that the stamp tool we are having this specificity. Okay, then next one we are having one more purpose here. We are having, I'm taking this parrot or something. I'm taking this frog. You can see the frog. I can have this option over here, flip tool. See here. Now, totally the image converted into upside down, flipped. So this is also a property when we are using the stamp tool. Now the next one is mirror image. I'm taking here, see here the cuckoo, and I'm going to see the mirror image. Can you see the cuckoo in the opposite direction? This is a mirror
Blackbird.
Image. Yeah. So mirror image also possible in this stamp tool. So basically stamp tool we can use very effectively with 3-4 options. First one is the expanded image. Second one is the shrinked, very small baby image we can create. And third one is the flipped image. We can have the images in the upside down. We can get it from flipped option. And fourth option is mirror option, which is very much useful, and we can see the opposite direction the same image. So these are the 4 options are available in this TuxPaint stamp tool alone. So dear children, you can make this use and you can work on this TuxPaint stamp tool. Thank you all.